In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize the lock screen on Squarespace. If you're looking to give your Squarespace site a unique touch, customizing your lock screen is a simple yet effective way to make your site stand out. Whether you're using your lock screen to protect content or just want to add a bit of flair, personalizing it can enhance your visitors' experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all the options to manage your site. Navigate to the section labeled Website and click on Pages. This is your starting point for accessing all your site's pages, including those beyond just the standard ones. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar. Here you'll see an option called System Pages. These pages are crucial because they include all the default pages that come with your Squarespace template, such as the For Here Before page, the password page, and of course, the lock screen. Go ahead and select System Pages. Once you're in the System Pages menu, you'll see the lock screen option. Click on Lock Screen. This will open up the settings for customizing your lock screen. Inside this panel, you'll notice a button labeled Change Layout. Clicking this will present you with different layout options for your lock screen. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts to choose from, allowing you to select one that fits the aesthetic you're aiming for. While you're exploring these layouts, take a moment to consider how each one aligns with your brand. A cohesive look across your site can create a seamless experience for your visitors, so choose a layout that complements your overall design. After you've selected a layout, be sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure all your customizations are applied and visible to your site as visitors. And there you have it. Customizing your lock screen on Squarespace is as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you can create a lock screen that not only protects your content but also enhances the visual appeal of your site. Remember, personalizing these little details can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your brand. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. And for more tutorials on optimizing your Squarespace website, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.